Hey everyone, okay, so I have my Juki Junkies orders in, and that was for the spools of thread. So I am just going to, I have 3, 4, 5 boxes here, so let's see how many we go through. Now my total for these monthly subscription is $45.98, and you get 10 of them, 10 spools. So I'm going to try and go through them fairly quickly. So we have... maybe I'll put my glasses on for this real quick. Let's see. We have Willow. And we have Purple Rose. Steel Blue. Let me put them here. Let's see. This one is going to be black. Oh, we get black. And Bone. Does it look blurry, you guys? Let me see if I can put you in a little further. It seems blurry. Why does it seem blurry? There we go. Okay, and then we have Pumpkin Seed. Fuchsia. We have Amber. Oxford. There we go. And we have Teal. There you go, Teal. Alright, so that was it for that one. And then let's see what we get for this one. See, we get tomato. Tomato looks tomatoey. Then we have salmon. Sage. We have sage. We have cobalt. We have seagull. Let's see, peach. And there we go, peach. Then we have cerulean. There we go. And we have putty. There we go, putty. And we have pale mist. There we go. And we have ginger. There we go. So, okay, let's do one more. So this one is going to be Monarch. Let's see, Aqua. And this one's going to be Bagby Green. Then we have Deep Sea. Deep Sea is very pretty. There we go, Deep Sea. Let's see if I can do 2 at a time. We have strawberry blonde and pistachio. Let's see if we can do both. There we go. Okay. Then we have there's so much recycling over here. Smoke and canary. There we go, smoke and canary. Then we have khaki and autumn. Yep. Let's do these. If we do them 2 at a time, it might be better. Let's try 3. Herb, fawn, and sun-kissed pea. Am I moving them too fast? There we go. There we go. Yep. Okay. Then we have chestnut, mauve, and sea mist. There we go. That's a good one. Oh wow, you guys, this is what happens when you get backed up. There are all kinds of them. Mossy, pearl, and coffee bean. There we go. And let's do the last box because that way I don't have to do it again. Storm. I don't have to do another separate video for it. I wonder why it's having such problems. Storm. Okay, last one. Okay, so we have Christmas pin, sultry, and oyster. So let's see. Let's go that way. Okay. Then we have warm gray, eggnog, and cosmic. There we go. Yep. And we have apricot blush, Chianti, celery, and hickory. Or is it Chianti? Chianti, Chianti. I'm not sure. Tomato, tomato. Okay. Alright guys, that was it. So that was all my Juki Junkies. I am good. So I need to go put all of these away now. Look at these, you guys. Alright. That is all of them for 4 or 5 months. 4 months I think it is. So, alright. We are golden. I have enough. Alright guys, I'll see y'all later. Bye.